What's up, guys? We're back again with another video.
It's the guys here with the 702 bros, and we're back at this place called I don't even know what it's called, to be honest.
Ghost Town,
It's a ghost town though. So we were just passing by because daytime, because last time we came here was nighttime. So we were passing by and we saw this. We saw this right here. Oh no, where is it? Is it right there? Yeah, I think it's right. Yeah, it's right here. There's a little mine and there's a cave right there.
Next to it. Let me get to it.
It's a big cave. I don't know if you guys can see it right there, guys. So when we come back from driving all the way around here, as you guys can see, we're gonna go over there to that cave. I'll see you guys soon. Oh my gosh, guys! So we were about to start driving the mine that we told you guys over there, right down here. Look what's that right down here. Look at that. Look at that. Another mine, right in there. We're gonna be coming to all the guys. There's a trail right there for cars, so we're gonna be coming down there. Even though my car is not for off-roading, but we're definitely gonna go down there. I wonder what's over there. If that's right there, what is that? Whoa! Dude, there's someone. There's like a boat down there. There's a boat. There's a boat right there.
Oh, I see it.
Look.
Maybe there used to be water right here.
Yeah.
We gotta come back. We gotta come back.
Dude, I wonder what's over there behind that mountain. Then that's the road for mines.
We gotta come back.
Oh my god. Saw that guy say hi to you. Say hi to him. So yeah, guys, we're right here driving.
This is the one that we came last time.
Yeah.
We just didn't upload the video because we've been busy doing other stuff, but we'll be uploading both the videos soon. This is Ghost Town right here.
Yeah, that's Ghost Town right there, guys, as you guys can see.
I don't hurry up and come back so I can
We can try and catch at least a little bit daytime.
Yeah, before it gets too dark.
But we're still gonna be going all the way down there, bro.
There's another one up there.
Yeah.
This is Ghost Town, you guys.
Look at this, guys.
Last time we came there, we didn't see any. Like, there's people down there.
Mm-hmm.
Look at all these cars and shit. Oh, people could park in there. Look.
Yeah. What the hell? They got Elsa up in this
Elsa?
bitch.
Is that Elsa? Frozen? Can we come in here or what?
Guys, so it's crazy, okay? This is Ghost Town right here. We're all driving. Look, what is that?
Oh my god,
What is that? There's a tower over there. Whoa! Oh my god!
I told you we had to come in daylight, fool.
Dude, this is crazy. Look at this
Look at that big ass one.
big ass cave right here. Oh my gosh. Look at all this. We didn't see anything of this because we came in the dark. It was super dark. Oh, we almost knocked the crap out of that bird.
Dude, that was massive.
Oh my god, how the hell did we not see that?
Look at that shit.
Oh, nah, that's too big, bro.
Oh, let's go in that one.
Dude, look, you can go through here. Yeah, you go through here. You literally go through
Is
here.
that quicksand or no?
No, it's not quicksand.
We'll come back. Look at that small one that we were looking at first. It's somewhere around here.
Oh yeah, and by the way, guys, I think it's a little bit more down where we heard that woman scream in the middle of the desert. We heard women screaming in our last. Oh my
Look at
god!
that. We gotta. No, we're
Dude!
going in here right now. Fuck
Dude!
that. We'll park right here and then we'll walk it.
Right here, park right here,
Yeah.
park right here. Oh, I think that might be quicksand. Oh! Oh, dude!
Quicksand.
All right, guys,
there
we're going
it
right
is.
here.
We'll just park here.
Yeah. Over there is quicksand, huh?
Yeah, we'll park here.
Yeah, right there's quicksand on it. Yeah, right here, it's fine.
Yeah, we're fuck the other.
Alright, guys, let me get off the car really quick. Alright, guys, so we just got off the car. You guys can see that's my car over there. There's Alberto right here. The cave is right over this side. I don't even know why I have my mask on. Just in case there's a guy in there, you know, doing something really wrong. There's definitely been people here, of course. Two. Oh my god. Dude, low-key? Low-key, I'm kind of scared to go to this big-ass cave. Okay, I'm gonna take off my mask so you guys can hear me. What the hell is that? Oh my. Look at that, look at that, look at that, guys, right there. It's like a thing you could go inside, right there.
Last time we were here was like about 2 weeks or 2 or 3 weeks ago, right?
Yeah, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, the last time we were here.
Yeah.
And,
but it was dark, so we couldn't see anything. But right now that we came in daylight, we came across with this. Nice.
We got good lights, guys.
On the other side of the
No,
field.
we got really good lights.
Brought our flashlights, because we are gonna go in. And sun is already setting down.
Oh yeah, this is definitely quicksand.
Yeah.
Look at that! Look at the tunnel over there.
Oh, but that probably only goes across the street.
Do you think so?
Yeah. I like these in there, so you guys can see that other
Look at that.
cave up there. Yeah, we've been looking for caves and caves, and we never find them. We found ones, but they were covered in
Someone left their gas tank right there.
in dirt. And we came across it.
Oh my,
Oh my
god.
god, this thing is massive.
Yo, yo, think there's something in there? I'm gonna use my taser one instead. I have a taser, guy. Just
Oh
like,
my god, you guys, this place is...
I'm gonna turn this bitch on. It goes down, dude.
Oh my god, look at that, you guys.
It goes down.
It goes down.
Dude, there's no way. There's no way. That guy says Pizza Hut blowjobs.
Bro, look at this.
Oh, it's so cold in there. It's so cold.
It is cold. Look at that.
I don't even want to, dude. I don't want to look down there. It just goes straight down.
Okay, you guys can see this. We're at the cave. And,
Dude,
that is scary.
dude, no way.
That is scary right there. It looks like there's water though. Look at that. See if I can get my flashlight. Look at that, you guys. And it goes all the way over there.
Look at it, guys.
Let me zoom out.
Oh my god.
It is so cold in here. Okay, it stops here.
Dude,
That place is... This place looks fucking creepy down there.
imagine nighttime, dude.
Oh my god. We have to come
We had no.
again when there's more daylight.
No, we have to go right now.
No, I'm going to the outside.
No, I'm going down there.
No.
I want to go down there.
Hold on.
I want to go down there, guys.
Let's
What
go
should you
on
guys say?
spot.
This is not my brightest light. This is just my taser light, as you guys can see. Like, see?
You can see this place? Man, I could definitely get right here. Hell no.
All right, I'm definitely going down there.
Okay, let's go. Let's not go there right now. Let's go and check out the...
Dude, that looks so scary. I look like a hole to the devils. Why does that look like a
Because
hole?
it's
Like in
going down.
it goes to like catacombs, imagine. That looks like the a hole that would actually be in catacombs. Imagine.
Oh my god, you could easily walk straight.
Yeah. Alright, let's go over here.
We'll come back real quick, you guys.
I'm gonna use my taser light instead. Oh my god, that's a straight drop. That's a
Look at this, you guys.
that's a straight drop. Dude. Oh, there's a penis right there. Dude. What the fuck is this? Okay, I'm gonna switch light, guys. You guys can see a little bit better. Dude, this is so beautiful.
We always try to get onto like
a
like
big
a
ass
cave
Yeah.
and never come across one, and now we did. But dude, this thing
It's massive. This is
it's
massive.
Like, yeah, it's like crazy. That is scary right there. It's a little sketchy. It's,
We have to go down there. Through here. Because we're gonna slide the fuck out right there. Take a piss over there.
Hold on, I'm gonna set you guys here, you guys.
Dude, this is a massive drop.
Because I also want to go to that one on the top one, and it's probably somewhere over there.
I told you that this place has a lot of caves. We just didn't see them because it was nighttime.
Damn, it says storage. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go on YouTube. Okay.
I think the only way we could get down, guys, is by not recording at this point. We're gonna not record so we could go down. Because if we're recording while going down, we're gonna probably one of us eat shit. That's definitely gonna be me.
Video recording on the video.
All right, guys. I'll catch up when
What are you talking about?
we're down there. Okay. All right, guys. So we just got down from up there. We're right here now, and there's multiple entrances. That's what it looks like. And you
Oh
can.
my god, look at that, a hole right there. Right there.
Oh my god. Dude. I just don't want nothing crawling out like the movies, fucking Wrong Turn and all that shit.
Shut up, why would you say that? We're literally on the inside of the freaking.
If something starts crawling out, bro, I'm gonna tase the fuck out of it.
Something cracked.
I don't know. Let's go. We're gonna stay quiet, guys, so you guys could hear. If anything, we could hear in the video. Oh my god. Look, guys. Oh my god. There's multiple holes. Oh my god, there's one in there. Dude, look at that one.
Picture right here, hold on.
What is that, skeleton?
Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture right here.
Oh my god. Do I have the brightest one on? Where should we go? That one over there? Or this one? That shit looks, both of these look creepy, bro.
That one looks too small. I don't wanna crawl. Let's go this way. I must be careful. Come on.
Bro, don't stab me.
Take one stick.
Okay.
Phil, what? I'm bleeding. It says fail.
And I'm bleeding. Oh, dude. That goes on. No mami.
No way. Mr. Ghost.
No. I want to see this right here. Oh my. Something definitely lives right there. Something definitely lives right there, guys. You're able to. That's a crawling space.
Wait. Hey. Who's
Who's there? Who's there? I heard you walk.
There's water down there. There's water down there.
Bro?
Yeah, there's water down there, bro. There's actually, look at that.
Oh yeah. No, something lives down there.
Yeah, there's something lives down there.
Hey. What should be an animal? I hear somebody walking.
There's something crawling over here, guys.
Hey, we come in peace. Who's there?
I swear to God, I heard something walking.
We have to bring my dad over here, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
My dad's gonna love this place.
Come over here. I want to see what's over here. Something's over here. I heard it. Wait,
Watch out, watch out.
you heard it?
There's something crawling over here, guys. There's something around us right now. Yo, watch out for bats, because this is caves. There's another cave over there. It's like multiple things. You could easily get lost in here if you're not your way out. Look, the water's right there. That tunnel connects to that water.
You could easily get lost here, bro. There's entrances everywhere.
What's over here? Oh my god.
Look at over here.
Look at that guy.
Look, there's something over there. There's a box over there.
And there's tagging, so that means people that actually have been in there.
Well, yeah, but... Oh, look at it. It looks like it goes across.
Yeah. Should we go?
Let's go to that one.
Yeah, let's go that one. Cause that one's like more that one's like more walkable.
Remember,
I have the video on my phone. I have a video on my
come
phone.
back. It's on the right side over here.
You wanna go first or me?
Yeah,
Alex ya se todavía cagando, bro.
no, man. There's a box or something right there. It says haunted down there.
I don't give a crap if it's something that's what we're looking for.
Well, not shit, but
I'm gonna have my taser ready. Alberto, look at behind us.
did you hear that? Dude, was that you?
What?
What was the echo?
I was like,
Yeah.
that's what I did. No, I'm gonna take out my taser instead, bro. I almost have the chronic behind me.
You scared the fucking shit out of me.
Yeah, this one lights up good.
You scared the shit.
Let's see. It lights up pretty good. You have your knife, right? Mm-hmm.
Okay, tenga su luz atrás. Shotgun.
This is so creepy, bro.
The fuck is that, a tree?
A tree? Why would a tree be in here?
Oh my god, it goes down.
Alright, I'm gonna switch light now.
looks like a old can. Either way.
There's a rope.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at this, guys.
Flash up here, flash up here.
What the crap? Dude, you think people hang themselves right here? Or do you think people climb up right here and they grab on and they start climbing up to that one?
No, I think. Oh, I don't know, bro. But I'm not going up there.
I'm definitely not going high. But there's like, it's hard gonna be to come down. I'll go in first now.
Somebody told us someone. Hey. Oh, am I tripping now? I know this is smoking.
It's probably the shadow, bro. I feel like they do, bro. Cause this right here, why would that be right there? If it was for you to climb up, the rope would be down here at least. But what? Why would that be there? You know?
Yeah. Are you recording?
I'm recording.
Yeah.
I think people hang themselves right here, bro.
This place is fucking massive.
I want to go in first. There's another rope right here. Look. What the hell is that? For the eyes. Look, there's a paper right here. That one goes in that way, I think, or this way. I'm not. It goes both ways. It goes both ways.
Something's behind me. They said there's a flip. There's an arrow.
There's an arrow right there, guys, to go that way. Yeah, 'cause this is a dead end. No, I already told we can't go past these. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
What is that smell?
It's two sticks holding a rock. It's like two pipes.
It smells wet right here.
Okay, look, I'm gonna tell you something, okay? I'm gonna tell you something. This is what I'm telling you. People get lost here. So they mark the rocks with tape like that,
Yeah.
so they won't get lost.
Yeah.
This is a humongous ass cave where we're in right now. So if we get lost, we just look for that tape.
What's the leg?
Look at this, look at this.
That's just a broken bottle.
Okay. I don't know what the fuck is over here.
Should have brought a spray can. And I had one now.
Dude, what the fuck?
Oh, I'm not going in there. If it's holding something, I'm not going in there.
Look at this. What happened? Alright, I'm gonna go in there just slowly, okay?
Alright, I got it. Oh my god, my fucking flashlight just died.
The thing goes straight
My
up.
flashlight died. Oh, what the fuck? My flashlight just turned off out of nowhere.
Okay, this shit goes straight up, bro.
And this one too, look. Which one?
Oh my god, this is insane.
Just go.
I'm just gonna record it. No, don't touch that. Oh my themselves down. Look, there's a rope. There's a rope. They grab on right here and they pull themselves
I'm
up.
not going up there though.
I'm not going up there either.
I don't want to fall and break my legs and shit. Oh, there's another one.
Look at that. That's too much, bro.
I'm not going up there.
It feels like humid in here.
This smells weird.
It's water. There's water here somewhere. Oh, I could barely breathe in here. Oh my god.
Yeah, there we see a rituals right there. Rituals. Just don't touch it if there is.
There's another rope. There's a broken rope right here. A ripped. Someone cut that rope.
Jonathan, imagine how they brought these fucking tubos.
What do you mean?
¿Cómo trajeron estos pinches tubos hasta acá adentro?
Oh no. That's insane.
Is this wet? It's wet.
Maybe that's what.
Maybe because of the fucking steam that's in here.
Hey, and if there's actually there had to be someone up there.
Look, this is a fucking rail for like a mining.
Yeah, mining rail.
Look,
It goes under this.
I'm not going up there though.
Yo, okay, so if there's actually been actual people up there, maybe it's only been like 3 people, 4 people, maybe. You know why? There's no tagging up there.
I know.
There's no tags.
That's what I'm saying.
I'll go in. You wanna go in first or me?
Yeah, go first. Se me apagó la lámpara de esta y esta.
Yeah. When we get out, it's probably gonna be nighttime already.
There's another part of the rope. Let me see. Let me see.
What?
Let me know.
I kicked the rock on accident. Yeah, this is what's suspicious for me. He's gonna throw a rock, guys. He's gonna see what's up. Go. ¿Casi te pega?
Fuck, I almost made it over.
Más recio.
Okay. Turn off your light.
Look, guys, we're gonna turn off our light. This is how it looks right now. Okay? Turn off our light. 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Dude, we can't see shit in here. I'm not turning. It's too dark.
Does it says love or lost? Oh no, lost.
Look, there's arrows right here. You guys can see there's arrows on the wall. Pointing this way. Watch out right here, eh? Oh, it just got cold right here.
It's dark outside already.
Mm-hmm.
There's no light. Gotta get out. Oh, put this one.
There's definitely a fire right here. It's a little bit light. Look, a little bit. I want to go down there really quick.
That's the part with the water.
Yeah, the water that I told you. Look at this. There's a big ass puddle of water right there.
There's animal steps on there.
What? Oh no.
And it looks like it goes down.
There's something down there, yeah, and it looks like it goes down. And over there is another cave over there.
There's shotgun shells. No, look. It's the water. And you cross the water and there's a...
Yo, we have to save the light, remember?
I know.
Because we're gonna go to the other one. Let's just start going. Let's wrap it up for this cave. And let's go to that. Let's go to over there.
Amigos, asoma allá, güey. Mira. Mira. Súmale. Zoom it. There's something right there behind that rock. Zoom.
I am.
Algo se asomó allí, güey.
There's something
A
right
lo
there.
mejor es un animal, güey. Ven
Yeah.
por aquí, güey.
Look, get the fuck out of here. You good?
Algo se asomó allá, güey.
Yeah, let's wrap it up for this cave. And then let's go to the other one.
Blood? That's blood. That's blood. That's blood.
There's blood right there, guys. Yeah, we gotta start going. Look, see, there's still light. We were just deep in.
We gotta come back, father,
Huh?
when there's more daylight. So we go that one and that one.
Yeah. We gotta go. Look, a slingshot.
Oh, by the way, I got your slingshot on
Oh, my light.
somebody's shoes.
You don't need them? Ow. You okay? What happened? What happened? What happened?
I heard something. Just go up. Just go up.
We're going up, guys, with no hands right now, so this is difficult. I'm gonna stand right here and wait for you.
Boy, something came from that cave. I told you
Which
there's something
one?
in there.
Which one?
In there.
Yeah, that's the same one we saw down there that we ain't going to. I just heard a whisper, bro. We gotta get the fuck out. There's another shotgun shell. Oh, right here. I want to put my phone right there. Here, let me see. Let me see. Alberto. You good? Oh, dude, look at that. Oh my god. Look at these over here. What the fuck are these? Oh my god. Oh my. Look at that. These drop down straight.
Boy. Are you not hearing that scream?
No, I'm hearing screams. That's what I'm telling you. I'm hearing screams.
That came from in there. That noise.
Yeah. We gotta go out there. There's something down there. I'm tired. Look over there, look. It was these right here. Look.
Here, look.
Oh my. Look at that cave.
What's this? What is this thing? Circus? What? Circus here? Body.
It was so humid in there, guys.
Bro, why does it say that? Look.
Oh. Turn on my light so we won't waste it for the next part.
It says drugs that way. Oh my god, this is fucking good.
This is crazy, guys. We've never been anything like that before. Look at that cave up there.
Look at that penis. He's going down.
This is where we are, guys. Let's not go down anymore, eh?
Oh shit. It goes down here too.
Yeah.
Under this rock.
It goes down here, guys. But that's for like crawling people. You heard that, right?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? We gotta get that. What is that shit? There's something there. Wait. You hear bells?
Yes.
Those are fucking bells, guys. Those are bells. Those are bells. There's someone over here with bells. Okay, we gotta go. There's definitely something up there with bells. We gotta go.
Wait, it's coming.
It's coming. We gotta go. We gotta go. There's something up there. This way, this way, this way, this way.
Hold on, stop here. Let's just record.
Wait. It's on this side now. Let's be nice.
Who's here?
Let's go this way. It's like right here. Behind you. It's not behind you.
I hear it everywhere though. Cause it's the echo. Hold on.
Like a bat. That's just a bird.
Is there anybody here with us that would like to communicate? Can you shake those bells again?
They shake them.
Yeah, there's something,
Shit, there's something.
and it's down there where we just came through.
There's something down. I told you I saw something in the far down. Guess I saw more. We gotta come back when there's more daylight, cause I didn't even charge.
We couldn't hear, huh?
My flashlight.
Yeah, it was still here. It was still here. No, it's still here. It's still here.
No, actually, we came in through there.
Yeah, we came to here, look.
Where's your car?
Down there. It's behind that little hill. Look at that.
That's where we came in, huh?
Yeah, that's where we went inside of. There's definitely something there.
Where's that little tunnel? Right there? Nah, that.
No, it's just no. All right, guys, we'll catch you guys up in a different cave or something, cause you know we gotta stay battered here. Peace. Hey guys, so those bells that we heard, y'all probably thinking that it's probably someone human or something, but the
But
only
literally-
car that's here is ours. There's no other cars. There's nothing. So what exactly were those bells over there?
And they came from inside the cave. So.
And yeah, it was inside the cave where we said that we saw that one thing. So yeah, there's definitely something in there, and I don't think that's just human, whoever it is.
We are definitely coming back. Hopefully next week. Hopefully next week we can come back when there's more daylight. That way we could go all the way in and we come prepared. We'll bring spray cans, right? Spray cans to mark the walls.
Yeah,
Not to vandalize you guys, but
yeah. There's to mark the wall
there's
so
a
we
lot
won't
of-
get lost.
there's a lot of tunnels. There's a lot. There's somebody standing right there. There's a lot of tunnels. It has different places to go, and we definitely don't want to. We don't want to get lost, so we are coming. Hopefully, we could come back here next week. Bring spray cans and more flashlights, cause these are. I mean, this one's still good, but we gotta save it for.
For our next cave right now.
Yep. So we'll see you guys on the next location.
Peace.